Welcome back to Little Maple English. I'm your teacher, Joanne. Today, we're going to learn about prepositions of place in, on, and at. So what is a preposition? A preposition shows the position of something. So common prepositions would be in, on, and at. For example, the cat is on the table. It tells you where the cat is. So let's start off with in. In means inside or enclosed. Use in for inside something, enclosed spaces. For example, nouns like a box, a room, a bag. So the example sentences will be, the keys are in my bag. She is in the room. The milk is in the fridge. So here, you know where the milk, the keys are placed. How about on? You use the preposition on when it's on a surface, when it's touching the top of something. For example, nouns like a table, a desk, the wall. Let's take a look at these example sentences. The book is on the table. There is a picture on the wall. My phone is on the desk. So you see where it is placed. And lastly, at. At is used when you're talking about a point or exact place. For example, like the door, the bus stop, the corner. So let me read you a sentence example. She is at the door. We are at the bus stop. Meet me at the corner. So here are the comparison chart for you. So you use preposition in when it's inside. For example, like in the box. Preposition on is when on the surface, like on the table. And preposition at an exact point, like at the door. Let's take a look at some common mistakes. The keys are in my bag. It's a perfect sentence, whereas if you say the keys are on my bag, when it's inside, you do not want to say it's on. Then it means that it's on surface of the bag. She is at the bus stop. You don't want to say she is in the bus stop because you can't really be in the bus stop. So let's practice. Choose in, on, or at. Let's do it together. Number 1, the cat is in the box. Number 2, the cup is on the table. Number 3, she is waiting at the bus stop. And number 4, the picture is on the wall. If you got all that, perfect! All right, that's it for today. I can't wait to see you next class. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye!